Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy today. We're going to do an exploding painting. Isn't that going to be fun? It's like an experiment. So, first of all, we made some paint, some baking soda paint. So we used baking soda and we poured it in a container. See this, Freddy, what we're doing? Then you can use food coloring or you can just use paint. But we got some watercolor paint. We bought that at the Dollar Tree. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of that in there. Squirt a little paint in there. In with the baking soda. Then we're going to put a little bit of water in there. Stir it around. Okay. This, Freddy, it's like an experiment. I wonder if the friends at home can do this experiment. I bet they can. It's really fun. Okay, so let's stir it around. So we stirred it around until we made paint. Oh, there we go. Oh, we need a little more water. So we made some really good paint. Then we let our friends paint on the paper with all the colors that we made. So we made some red. Did you know that was red? Just like my shirt. And we made some blue. And we made some yellow. And it's all got baking soda and water in it. And so we made it like that. Then this is what we did next. We took some paintbrushes and we painted on the paper with our colors. Like this. And we painted it really thick and lots of spots. Then guess what we had to do? After we painted all our colors on the paper, it looked like, I'm going to show you. We used watercolor paper, by the way. It's very thick. And then we had all our colors on the paper and we let them dry. So that was fun. We had to go read a story or something while we were letting them dry. Now, guess what we're going to do next? We have pipettes. Remember the pipettes that I got? There's so many of them. I got 100 of them for $5. Okay, so now we're going to use the pipettes and we're going to, let's see how this works. Oh, look at, can you see it's fizzing? I'm going to put Freddy down so I can show you really close. It's like an exploding painting. It's fizzing. Isn't that fun? Oh, it's so fun. And you just go like this and you just squirt the vinegar all over it and it's all exploding and making fizzy colors. It's very fun. It's like an exploding painting. I wonder how it's going to look when it's done. I bet it's going to be so pretty. Whoa, it's fun. And we can put this in a tray or something so it protects our table that we're working on. But look at this. It's just like a big exploding painting. How fun is that? And you can just play with that all day with your vinegar water. Ooh, I love it. It's very fun. It's a fun activity. So we hope you make an exploding painting at your house. And you could use all the colors. Do you remember what they are? Blue, red. What happened to this one?